Hiring managers play a critical role in the success of your employee referral program. They're the first ones to feel the pain of an open position, and because they have the strongest relationships with your employees, they have the most success in asking for referrals. Simply put, convincing your hiring managers to speak with their teams about employee referrals is an incredibly effective way to generate referrals. That's why we've created the Manager Training and Resource page. It's a landing page built specifically for your managers and gives them everything they need to feel comfortable soliciting referrals from their teams. It contains a 4-minute training video and other helpful resources they can use to promote your referral program. You can find the page at yourreferraldomain.com/manager. The training video addresses the benefits of employee referrals, gives a walkthrough of the referral process, and concludes with some ideas about how to solicit referrals. To the right of the training video are some helpful resources, including the Employees Training video, the Employees User Manual, a printable flyer, and your program's policies and conditions. The Training and Resource page gives your managers everything they need to feel confident. We hope you enjoy the Manager Training and Resources page, and let us know what you think.